Hello and welcome to Foldable Flight. My name is Kyle and today I will be teaching you about petal folds. Now petal folds come in a variety of shapes and they're one of the basic maneuvers in origami. And you can see here, if you were to see it in a diagram, it would be shown something like this. Usually a horizontal valley crease and then two diagonal mountain creases. Now, in order to make this, we're going to want to pre-crease a little bit. Now, this valley crease will be the easiest one to make. We can pre-crease it or we can avoid that, but I'm going to go ahead and pull my top down and crease right along that line. And I'll unfold. And now I'll fold in on each of these. These are going to be mountain creases, but we're going to start by making valley creases. And the way we do that is we're going to pull these edges in to the center like so. Now you can see I'm actually pulling two layers here just by the nature of the way this is constructed. And you can see underneath I actually have valley creases as well. So the creases I just made are those valley creases underneath, and they're going to become these mountain creases on this top layer. And now that we've done our pre-creasing, we can open it back up, and to perform the actual petal fold, we take this top layer here and we pull it forward using this valley crease here as our hinge. And as we pull it forward, you can see that these sides will want to collapse inward along those existing valley creases. And now all we have to do is take these mountain creases we have and reverse them to turn them in, or well, they were valley creases rather, and we're turning them into mountain creases. And just like that, we have performed a petal fold. Now, like I said, petal folds come in multiple shapes and sizes. And so I'm going to show you another example of a petal fold, and this time we won't pre-crease that valley crease. So here is another setup prepared for a petal fold, and you can see we have in the diagram, it would be shown very similarly, just at different points. And we have two mountain folds and this valley fold. So we're not going to make this valley fold yet because I don't want to bend this whole section of my model. So I'm going to start just by bending in, folding in on these by folding to center like we did before. And having done that, now we know that the valley crease will be going between the 2 points where these intersect this edge here. So where this one intersects this edge, where this one intersects this edge, those are our 2 points, and the valley fold will go right between those. And I can make that just by pulling this whole thing open. And I know my hinge goes between the 2 points where my folds intersect the edge of the paper, and I just kind of pull forward and collapse it at the same time. And there we have another petal fold. Now, if you are interested in learning how to fold a paper airplane that incorporates petal folds rather, then go ahead and check out my video on Stinger. Stinger is an awesome paper airplane, and the petal folds allow it to have this split nose. And so that's a really cool fold, and that's actually an even different petal fold than the one we've done here, either of the ones we've done here. So go ahead and check that out by clicking the card in the top right corner. And as always, thank you guys for watching. If you're interested in more origami and paper airplane content, click that channel icon in the top right corner, and check out some more of my videos here. And if you really like what I do, head over to foldableflight.com or patreon.com/foldableflight.